Look what I found. Dun, 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 dun. Dun. So let's me take this ring. Yep. For it. And I think this is a bracelet. I'm wearing it. So the next is this. I don't know. Let me try it on my leg and then I'll show you. Oh my god. This looks beautiful. Let me show you all of it. My mom gave me some work and I have to take those off. But you can picture yourself like making a picture on your head because I can't really do anything. And yep. Bye bye. She gave me like some minutes and I don't want to spend it on this. I just want to watch videos. But yes, I'm so bad.